Ready to unlock the full potential of your Microsoft 365 developer program subscription and build some seriously cool apps? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to check your subscription details, verify its status, and make sure you're taking advantage of all the awesome benefits. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 Developer Program website. You can easily find it by searching for Microsoft 365 Developer Program in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and log in using the Microsoft account you used to sign up for the developer program. After signing in, you'll be taken to your personalized dashboard. Here, you can see a summary of your subscription status. You should see your name and email address at the top, confirming you're logged in correctly. Now, find the subscription section. This is where the magic happens. You'll find the expiration date of your subscription, so you know exactly when it's up for renewal. Below the expiration date, you'll see a list of benefits associated with your subscription. This includes access to Microsoft Graph, SharePoint Framework, Teams Toolkit, and much more. Make sure you explore all of these to get the most out of your developer experience. Most subscriptions are set to automatically renew, but if you need to extend or renew, that information will be located here too. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Microsoft 365 Developer Program subscription details. Now you can get back to building those amazing solutions. Happy coding!